Introducing San Antonio Water Heater Services, your trusted partner for all your water heating needs. Our expert technicians ensure efficient installation, maintenance, and repairs. From traditional to tankless, we offer a wide range of water heaters to fit your preferences. Experience uninterrupted comfort with our reliable water heating solutions. For prompt, professional, and affordable water heater services, trust San Antonio Water Heater Services. Contact us today and make your home a haven of warm and cozy moments. San Antonio Water Heater Services, your comfort, our priority.